Ever wondered why do we hiccups? You are sitting, eating, dancing, and then suddenly a sound came out. It is hic. Now it's time to explore that particular sound. So hiccup comes out due to the sudden spasm of our diaphragm muscle, which is below our lungs. So the diaphragm spasm. Second is the vocal sac sudden shut up. Third is the fast eating and drinking beverages, cold coffee, etc. And third is excitement, stress, laughing. Sometimes we swallow air. It also causes hiccups. Most hiccups are last for 2 days, but if it exceeds for 2 days, then go for the medical checkup. Thanks. Follow for the more bite-sized biology.